Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do magic circle in a very simple method. To do the magic circle, just place the tail like this and you are going to make a circle and place it on the top of this tail like this. Next, you are going to catch this tail part like this, insert the hook in this loop and pull this working yarn through this loop. So now we are done with the magic circle. This is the magic circle. So to lock this, we will be doing chain 1. So now we have done the magic circle. So this is the very easy method of doing the magic circle. Let me tell you one more time. So place your tail down and make a circle with your working yarn like this on above this tail like this. Now you are going to catch this tail and this working yarn like this. Insert the hook in this loop through, pull this working yarn through the loop. Next, make a chain to lock it. So this is the magic circle. So you are going to work inside the magic circle. So while working inside the magic circle, we need to be careful that we are working along with this tail as well. So while working, we have to work along with this tail, so that you can adjust the circle by pulling this tail. You need to be careful, you are working along with this tail. So at last, to close the circle, you will pull this tail to close it. So this is how it looks. So this is how the magic circle looks. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.